I am Dr. Shalini and I am the director with this company Sanair Medical, where we are displaying our equipment, the Exo Athlete 2. It is an overground walking assistive robo, making patients, getting back to their feet. Anybody who cannot walk, who is wheelchair bound because of any reason, be it stroke, be it Parkinson, be it spinal cord injury, and is not able to walk, we make them stand up and give them the ability and the natural gait pattern to walk. It is a battery operative device, very easy to use, very comfortable for the patients and also for the therapists. And you can easily get onto it. Up to 100 kg weight of patients also it can accommodate. Up to 6 feet height patients can come onto it, and very easy. The turnaround time is also very good, and it also comes with a smart crutch. By a smart crutch I mean that all the movements can be customized and done by the patient himself also. Otherwise, there is a tablet here. We can show it to you that all the movements are customized. If somebody just wants to move their right leg, it can done. It can be done. If somebody just wants to walk in place or walk forward, all movements can be customized. Your step height, step length, everything can be customized depending on the need of the patient. Just about half an hour therapy, 3 to 4 times in a week, and 2 to 3 months, a patient is able to get back to the feet and gains the ability to walk back, and that too naturally, a natural gait pattern. So this company is based in Delhi. We have offices in Delhi, and but we also have a pan India presence because we're into various medical equipments.
बेंगलुरु में कुछ आपका कांटेक्ट
Bangalore, now we are venturing into Bangalore. It's the first time we've come to Bangalore and showcase our product here for the people here.
how to contact this organization?
So we are available. Our website is there. You can get in touch with us, Sanair Medical Private Limited, and this product is there with us. We have the demo unit also with us. We can show it to you anywhere. Oh, it is very, very nice. We can have several videos where the patients are feeling that now, yes, I can get back on my feet. उनकी wordings में it is like, I'll talk in Hindi कि मुझे भरोसा हो गया है कि अब मैं चल सकता हूँ. So that is the feedback, and we have launched in various hospitals. It's in Max Hospital, Delhi. It's with Action Balaji. Dr. H. Chabra has it. Continental Hospital has it. Anvita has it. So there are various hospitals that we've launched in Northern India, Central, and now we are coming here in Bangalore.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.